Today, we are diving deep into Xolo Leap. Now, this is a platform with a pretty bold promise to make running a remote EU business 10 times easier. So we're here to see if that's just marketing hype or if it's the real deal. But does it actually deliver? That's really the core question we're going to answer. For entrepreneurs who are using Estonia's E-Residency program, is Xolo Leap the best choice out there? Well, let's find out. Okay, let's start with the absolute basics. What exactly is Xolo Leap? At its core, you can think of Xolo Leap as an all-in-one toolkit, but for a really specific type of person, the solopreneur or the digital nomad. It's designed to take the biggest headaches of running a remote EU company, things like registration, accounting, and compliance, and just handle them for you. And this isn't some small startup either. Xolo is the e-residency marketplace leader. They've serviced over 8,000 companies. That kind of scale really points to a massive amount of experience in this very specific niche. So how does it all actually work? Let's break down the mechanics of the service, from getting started all the way to the specific features you get. Getting started is broken down into 3 pretty clear steps. First, you sign up and lay out your business plan. Second, you get your Estonian E-Residency card. And then, once that's done, Xolo just steps in and handles the rest: the setup, the bookkeeping, the reporting, which frees you up to focus on what actually matters, your business. Now, let's talk about the pricing structure, which is really interesting because it's designed to scale with your business. The starter plan at €59 a month is perfect for those just beginning. The standard plan at €99 removes those revenue limits. Then the pro plan at $139 is for growing businesses, and it adds support for multiple shareholders. And finally, the premium plan, which starts from $259, is tailored for established companies with more complex needs, and you even get a dedicated senior accountant. Now for the core services, starting with incorporation and reporting. Xolo handles all the digital paperwork to register your company and gives you a virtual office in Tallinn. But more importantly, their experts take over all the tedious stuff: your monthly VAT, tax reporting, and annual reports. Plus, they've recently added full support for e-commerce, which is a big win for online sellers. And when it comes to money, the platform is just built to connect everything. It syncs with major banks and fintechs like LHV and Wise. It pulls in payments directly from Stripe and PayPal. This means you can seamlessly sell your products or services on huge platforms, from the Apple App Store to freelance sites like Upwork, and have it all feed into one system. So how do you pay people? Well, you can pay yourself a salary or dividends, and you can hire subcontractors from almost anywhere. But here's a critical limitation you need to know about. If you're hiring full-time employees, they must be Estonian tax residents. Now, as your company grows, the Pro and Premium plans also let you bring on multiple shareholders. Okay, so that covers the features, but how does it all perform in the real world? Let's take a look at what the users and expert reviews are actually saying. The numbers kind of speak for themselves here. Across the board, ratings are consistently high. Superfounder gives it a 4.9. The official e-residency marketplace has it at a 4.7 based on over 200 reviews, and Planet Nomad rates it a 4.8. That indicates a really strong and positive user consensus. And this quote from an 8-year user really gets to the heart of why those ratings are so high. Maya Middle Miss points to the platform's speed and design, noting that invoicing takes less than a minute. That focus on efficiency is a theme you see pop up again and again in the reviews. And a more recent review echoes that same exact sentiment. Maria Alexandra Luca calls the platform intuitive, saying it makes the complex job of managing a company remotely feel surprisingly simple. But it's not just about the software. The same reviewer highlights the human element: responsive and helpful support that adds a lot of trust. So it seems this blend of a simple interface with reliable people behind it is the key to those high ratings. Of course, no service is perfect. So let's move on and create a clear balance sheet of the pros and cons based directly on what the reviews highlight. Okay, so let's weigh this out. The pros are all about convenience and expertise. You get an easy setup, expert accounting, and great support. The cons, though, are pretty specific. The big one is payroll. It's only for Estonian residents. The others are about cost and commitment. You do need to sign on for 6 months for the best deals, and if you're just starting out with very little income, there might be cheaper, simpler options out there for you. All right, we've looked at the what, the how, the performance, and the trade-offs. It's time to bring it all together for the final verdict. So the bottom line from across all the source material is clear. For its specific target audience, solopreneurs, freelancers, and digital nomads running an Estonian E-Residency company, Xolo Leap is considered a top-tier solution. The combination of its user-friendly platform, expert backend support, and comprehensive features really makes it a powerful tool for this demographic. And perhaps this final quote from Superfounder sums it all up perfectly. They say they're completely blown away by how simple it can be, especially compared to the complexities of doing business elsewhere. And that's really the core value proposition, isn't it? Removing administrative headaches so that entrepreneurs can actually build their business. It's a powerful idea, and it leaves us with one final question. How much complexity could a service like this remove from your workflow?